fischertechnik Learning Factory 4.0 illustrates processes for a digitized smart factory, from delivering raw material to the finished product. Industry 4.0 applications can be tested and demonstrated using the simulation model that has already been set up. Digitization activities are simulated on a small scale and learned before they are used on a large scale. The training and simulation model demonstrates the process from the delivery, collection, and storing of the materials through the ordering and the manufacturing processes to delivering the finished product.
The training factory industry is controlled by a PLC controller, a Raspberry Pi as IoT gateway, and a TXT controller. The PLC program controls the individual modules of the factory. The program is written in structured text. The PLC communicates via the standard OPC UA protocol with the Raspberry Pi, which acts as an IoT gateway to connect the factory to any cloud. The program on the Raspberry Pi is implemented in Node-RED. In Node-RED, there is an additional local dashboard available, which can be adapted to your own needs. The Raspberry Pi also communicates with the TXT controller via the standard MQTT protocol, which in turn enables access to the fischertechnik cloud. The program on the TXT controller is executed in CC++.
The sensor image data are used and monitored in the fischertechnik cloud.